This is a 2010 Ford Fusion. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a power sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, 4-wheel independent suspension, 17-inch wheels, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 36,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Village Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 23535 Michigan Avenue in Dearborn.